You kind of went like this down in South Dakota, you see?
Yeah. Yours already landed.
Right now, this seats two pilots, an operator, and four passengers.
I didn't say it was only.
Well, you didn't say a word.
I thought it was being later.
I think so. Yeah.
How many do we have here?
About 25 and 30, I suppose. Probably more, let's say. Especially for weather holes.
By Chaplain Lieutenant Colonel David Johnson.
Tue tawapaha oki chizi hunia naji chunkashke
United Tribes of North Dakota, United Tribes Technical College, and all of our students, our staff and faculty, and certainly our members of our board who are seated in front of you. We want to welcome each and every one of you, particularly our first leader, Governor Jack Dalrymple, for being with us today, Senator Hoeven, Congressman Rick Berg, and a longtime friend and associate, Major General David Sprincinatic, and his wife, Connie, out here. And I have to be sure that I include her because she's also a great friend, and I know she keeps the General on track, let's put it that way. So we're glad that you're here today. All of you as special guests, I want to commend you for this wonderful program. We are proud and honored that you are here today in this special ceremony of the UH-72A Lakota dedication ceremony. It is one of a kind. We were able to see the helicopters land here earlier this morning, And we were so proud that you could come in on this campus and share this great work with all of us here. And in the remarks of your dedication that will come later on, this is especially an important part of our lives. And we know that all of the tribal nations have always served valiantly and with honor and dignity on behalf of our country and in the U.S. Armed Services. We thank you again. I appreciate your long-standing commitment, especially those of you who are veterans, who have led us in the dance and the entry, in the flags, and all of you seated here around us. This is an important part of our lives in the safety and security of the United States of America. And it is especially important for our young people, the young children sitting in the back, and some of our college students who are able to get away from their classes this afternoon to be here and be a part of this ceremony. So you are indeed a wonderful part of this role modeling and, again, showing what our armed forces can do with the kind of technology that is with and upon us.
I just want to make a small presentation to Dr. David Gipp as the person in charge of this special location today where we are commemorating this event for history. And this is, David, the highest honor that the state of North Dakota can confer on anyone or any entity. And as soon as I get a felt tip pen, I'm going to sign this and date this for you. This is to go here at UTTC to commemorate this day.
We honor these gentlemen, these pilots, in their endeavors and in their leadership and the longevity of the Lakota helicopter for our citizens here. Thank you.
Scott, again, we want to thank you and appreciate the honor of seeing these helicopters rededicated here today, along with all of the men and women who have made this possible and will continue to do so. You know, when we talk about the name Lakota or Dakota or Nakota, we always have to remember that that connotation does stand for a particular tribal nation. But in the broadest interpretation of that term, Lakota, Dakota, or Nakota, it also stands for the people. And it stands for all of the people. So that's one of the connotations or meanings. Another meaning for Lakota is the fact that it stands for friend and friendship. And so that is the extension of what this helicopter also symbolizes. A third connotation of the word Lakota or Dakota or Nakota is also that of ally, and how fitting that word is for the use of what it is all about in the protection and in keeping and maintaining the peace of all of our citizenry and all those who fall under the protection of the United States of America. It is, in fact, a part of our alliance and ally. So that is what we see our armed forces take care of here in North Dakota and throughout the nation as well. The gentleman that leads all of you when it comes to the issue of the armed forces of North Dakota is a gentleman that I've known, as he said, for over 35 years, and we served together at the beginning and the onset of his career and mine as well. And so we've kind of taken two different paths, but we keep running into each other all of the time. And so I think that's a good celebration. I'd like to at this time present to him, though, if you would, Winnell, please bring up something that connotes the issue of protection as well. And for his wall, it is the bow and arrow, that which we used traditionally many, many years and thousands of years ago in the protection of our people. And so this is also what accompanies and what a good general will have. That means he's got the Indians on his side too. General.
tribes of people as well as the eagle. The reason why they hung two flags, two feathers in each one. The red one is for warriors. Bloodshed was spilt, but always a warrior. And then that eagle feathers, something that got our spirits, are always high like the eagle. We never made a half a circle, it's always a full circle.
We asked representatives of all the tribes to make recommendations of what they thought would be most appropriate, and the recommendation they made was to name one eagle and one turtle because of the significance of those two symbols in the Native American culture. And staff came to me with the recommendation, and I agree that it would be wise for us to name them turtle and eagle, and follow the recommendation of the tribes. And that's what we're doing here today, is dedicating to aircraft and naming them turtle and eagle. Well, it was a great day. We had a wonderful turnout. I think what's most important about today is it shows the relationship between the military in North Dakota, the North Dakota National Guard, and the Native American people of the state. For me to be here was a true honor, and to be able to interact with our Native American allies when we talk about the military and we talk about defending this country was truly a great honor for me. We aren't going to be dedicating any more aircraft anytime soon, but I hope that this does provide us other opportunities to do things together with the United Tribes Technical College as well as with the Native American people all across the state.